In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Hostinger website step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, if you want to launch a clean professional website without getting overwhelmed by complicated tools, Hostinger makes the process really simple. We'll go from logging in to choosing a builder to editing your site, connecting your domain, and publishing it live. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all your website projects live, and it's also where you'll start creating a brand new site. From there, click Add Website. Hostinger will ask you what kind of website you want to create, and this is where you'll choose the Website Builder option. The builder is the easiest way to make a site fast, especially if you don't want to code anything manually. Next, Hostinger will give you a choice between using a template or using the AI builder. If you want a faster setup with a professional design already in place, a template is a great option. If you want Hostinger to help generate the website structure for you, then the AI builder is a smart choice. Both options are beginner friendly, so the best one depends on how much control you want. If you're building a simple business site, portfolio, blog, or landing page, either method can work really well. After selecting your starting point, Hostinger will load the editor. Now this is where the real customization begins. You can edit the text on the page, replace placeholder images with your own, and adjust different sections to match your brand or your business. Take your time here and make sure the headline is clear, the call to action is easy to see, and the overall layout feels organized. A good website should instantly tell visitors what you do and what they should do next. You can also add or remove sections depending on your needs. For example, if you need an About section, Services section, Testimonials, Contact Area, or AFAQ block, you can usually insert those directly in the builder. This is one of the biggest advantages of Hostinger Website Builder because it lets you shape the site around your goals without needing extra plugins or technical steps. As you're editing, make sure your images are high quality and your text is easy to read. Keep the design clean, use enough spacing, and try not to overcrowd the page. The simpler and more focused your website is, the better it usually performs for visitors. Once the main content looks good, the next important step is connecting your domain. This is what makes your site look professional and easy to find online. If you already own a domain, you can connect it to your Hostinger website so your visitors can access it through your custom web address. If you do not have one yet, you can usually register one through Hostinger as part of the setup process. Either way, this step is essential if you want your website to look complete and ready to launch. After your domain is connected and your content is finalized, take a final look through every page or section. Check spelling, make sure buttons work, and confirm your contact details are correct. This small review step can save you from publishing a website with mistakes. When everything looks ready, click Update or Publish. That will push your website live so people can start visiting it. And that's it. You now know how to make a Hostinger website from start to finish. You logged in, started a new site, chose the website builder, picked a template or AI builder, edited your content, connected your domain, and published the site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, website building tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.